Hi children, hope you all are fine. Have you all gone through previous day's topic? What is the name of our lesson? Yes, lesson 2, rocks and minerals. So we have discussed about the three main types of rocks. Which are they? Igneous rock, sedimentary rock and metamorphic rocks. We also discussed about the formation of these rocks and also the types of rocks. So now let us discuss about the wealth from rocks, that is the uses of rocks. So today let's discuss about the uses of rocks. Can you tell me the uses of rocks? While studying the types of rocks, we have studied the uses also. So in general, can you tell me any one use of rock? Yes, rocks are used to construct buildings. For example, limestone, marble, granite, etc. are used to construct buildings. Then cement. Cement is used in construction. It is made from limestone. What is limestone? Limestone is a type of sedimentary rock. Then slate. What is slate? Slate is a type of metamorphic rock. Slate is used to make roof tiles. The next use of rock is we get metals from the rocks. What are metals? Metals are materials that are hard in the solid form. They have a lustrous appearance. Lustrous means they are shiny. Then opaque. Opaque means they do not allow light to pass through it. Then they are malleable and ductile. Malleable means they can be hammered into thin sheets. Ductile means they can be drawn into wires. So such materials are called as metals. We get these metals from rocks. Example for metals are gold, aluminium, silver, copper, iron, etc. are metals. So these metals play an important role in our daily life. Most of the kitchen utensils and ornaments we wear, etc. are made from metals. So we get these metals from the rocks. Mainly the minerals present in the rocks. Metals are present in the minerals in the rocks. What are minerals? Minerals are the building blocks of rocks. Such rocks containing metals that can be extracted are called as ores. So what are ores? Ores are natural rocks containing metals that can be extracted. Extracted means removed. So such rocks are called as ores. For example, we get iron from the iron ore. Iron ore is magnetite. Bauxite is the ore of aluminium. And also sylvanite is the ore of gold. Magnetite is the ore of iron. Magnetite attracts objects made of iron. So it is used to find directions. Because when suspended freely, it always comes to rest in the north-south direction. So magnetite is used to find the direction. So the use of rock is we get metals from the rocks. Hope you all have understood this. Now the next use of rock is we can make gemstones. In some rocks, minerals are present in the form of crystals. These are very hard and can be cut and polished into stones called gemstones. They are shiny stones. For example, rubies, emerald, sapphires, diamond, etc. are the gemstones used in jewelry. Another one is coal and petrol. You know, coal and petrol are two important fuels. Coal is used as a fuel for cooking. It is also used to generate electricity in powerhouses. It is also used in factories to run machines. This coal is a type of sedimentary rock. Let us see the formation of coal, how the coal is formed. Coal is formed from remains of plants that existed millions of years ago. When these plants died, they got buried in the swamps. Swamps means low-lying areas covered with water. So these plants got buried in the swamps. Then above them, mud, sand and other plant materials, dead plant materials also got deposited. Above this, dead remains of plants. So after millions and millions of years, due to the heat and pressure of the upper layers of sediment, the lower layer of sediment containing the dead plant remains changed into coal. This is how coal is formed. Then petrol and diesel, which is used to run vehicles, are obtained from petroleum. Petroleum is also called as crude oil. It is a dark, sticky liquid. It is formed from the remains of plants and animals in the sea. Dead remains of plants and animals in the sea. When these plants and animals died, they sank into the bottom of the sea, forming layers of sediments. So over millions and millions of years, so many layers are formed due to the heat and pressure of the upper layers of sediments. The lower layer of sediment containing this dead remains of plants and animals changed into petroleum. So what are the uses of rocks? Rocks are used to construct buildings. We said the examples also. Then metals can be extracted from the rocks. We also discussed the importance of metals in our daily life. Then gemstones. Gemstones are obtained from the rocks. Also fuels like coal and petrol. Now can you tell me the importance of coal and petroleum? We have discussed that coal is an important fuel used for cooking. It is also used in powerhouses to generate electricity. It is used in factories to run vehicles. Petrol and diesel are two important fuels obtained from petroleum. Petrol and diesel are used to run vehicles. Also we get products like plastics, fertilizers, cosmetics, paint, etc. from petroleum. So because of the increase in the use of vehicles, the demand for these fuels are also increasing. But it is said that the known reserves of petroleum may last only for another 50 years and that of coal only for 100 years. So we must conserve these fuels. How can we conserve these fuels? Instead of using such fuels, we can use solar energy. We can depend on solar energy. So burning of these fuels like coal and petrol causes air pollution, which is very harmful to our health. So we can reduce the use of such fuels and depend on solar energy. We have discussed about the uses of rocks and also the importance of coal and petroleum. Hope you all have understood the topic. You read textbook page number 12, 13 and 14. From the notebook, you study fill in the blanks. Question number 8, 9, 10, 11. And from answer the following, study question number 3, 4 and 5. Also there is a test paper attached along with this. Do the test and submit it. So let's meet in the next class. Thank you.